Greetings to you all in the mighty name of Jesus. This is a message from the Global Touch Tower. It is the timely message for such a time as this. The name of the message is Technological Babylon. As we read Revelation chapter 17, verses 18 about the mystery Babylon, we understand that there are 5 aspects of this end times Babylon, that is religious, political, commercial, pharmaceutical, and technological. I will be reading the Revelation chapter 17 verses 18 from different translation. I will be reading from the Holman Christian Standard Bible. And the woman whom you saw is the great city that has an empire over the kings of the earth. The Message Bible says, the woman you saw is the great city, tyrannising the kings of the earth, according to Douay Rheims Catholic Bible. And the woman which thou savest is the great city which hath kingdom over the kings of the earth, and according to Hebraic Root Bible. And the woman whom you saw is the great city, having dominion over the kings of the earth. That is Revelation chapter 17 verses 18. This word dominions means royal power, kingship, rule, reign, dominate, sovereignty, and kingly power, the right or authority to rule over a kingdom. According to John's apocalyptic book, or the book of Revelation, the mystery Babylon is a satanic city of the beast empire that has power to hold in its hands possession of the mind, which an ultimate goal is to own, to hold oneself to a thing, to lay hold of a thing, that is the governments, the nations, and the entire world. Satan does not possess God's power. He cannot create a human being, although he wants to be God, but he is not God. Satan needs to use human instruments to execute his plan for a new satanic world disorder consisting of one tyrannical form of government. Satan craftily possessed and dominated the world when he got hold of Adam in the Garden of Eden. Since then, he became the God of this world. When Jesus came, Satan tried to negotiate with Jesus by offering him worldly incentives if Jesus obeyed. Jesus overcame Satan's tactical temptation as we read in Luke chapter 4 verses 1 to 12 and other gospel writers. For a longer period of time, Satan has tried without success to gain dominion of world governments with the ultimate goal of controlling the world. In these last days, Satan works overtime to attain his ambition. With his strong delusion, he is now offering the nations of the world supposed benefits, the same things he offered Jesus in the wilderness, according to Matthew chapter 4 verses 1 to 11 and according to 1 John chapter 2 verses 15 to 17. With the advance of science and technology, the world has changed rapidly. Technology plays a vital and crucial role for the good and for the bad as well. If not alerted unknowingly, we will be ensnared to the deceptive schemes of the enemy, that is the devil. Satan's plots in these last days begin with big tech, big media, big pharma, big bang, and big government, spreading lies about how to make things better with lots to offer. The system of this present evil world is a web of deception. The moment we yield and surrender to Satan's temptation, we will be ensnared to this deception, and Satan will get the upper hand over our lives, as he is the master of deception, according to the Gospel of John, chapter 8, verses 44. We are living in a digital age with no turning back. Data collection is a must nowadays. Data informations of citizens are being collected and stored in the digital format in the computers by the government agencies for official purposes. A time will come, and it's not far, all data will be installed into human bodies and connected to the computers digitally. The beast that is coming will be revealed soon to take the center stage, all this set for him. This tyrannical beast will control all the digital data to serve his evil purpose. Take note what one of the global elites says from his own mouth. There is a new phase of imperialism and colonialism nowadays. It's the digital empires and data colonialism. Take the data out and control the countries. Most important assets is the data. Two leading countries in data harvesting and AI, that is artificial intelligence, are the US and China. These two countries are the current imperial giants. Giants corporations are the greatest threat. As planned by the global elites, the world is heading towards the fourth industrial revolution, with an objective to merge human body and technology. This is widely known as transhumanism. According to Malcomson says, transhumanism is joining man's biology, brain to the computer and to the internet. Malcomson said further, highlighted in this timely prophetic message how the imperial hub of tyrannical Babylon will achieve its goal. It is through these four worldly shakeable pillars, that is evolution, pharmaceutical, technology, world government. All these fours are coming to a convergence right now in our days. God is calling us to come out from this worldly system according to Revelation chapter 18 and verses 4. Believe in the gospel and reject Satan's technical offers. The gospel of the kingdom offers salvation, freedom, and purpose, whereas worldly deception offers death, bondage, and damnation. These are decisive moments. Shalom.